Welcome to our tutorial on how to insert data into MySQL using Python. In this video, we will guide you through the process of seamlessly integrating Python and MySQL to effortlessly insert data into your database. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, this tutorial will provide you with step-by-step instructions and code examples to help you master the art of data insertion. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to establish a connection to MySQL, create a table, and insert data using Python's MySQL connector. Let's dive in and unlock the power of Python and MySQL together. First, I would install MySQL with pip. I will run the command pip install MySQL connector Python. By running pip install MySQL connector Python, you are instructing pip to download the latest version of the MySQL connector Python package from PyPI and install it on your system. Once installed, you can import and use the module in your Python programs to connect to and work with MySQL databases. I will create a database, in which there is a table named Datas containing columns ID, title, content. I will perform insert data into this table. This line imports the MySQL connector module, which provides the necessary functions and classes to connect to a MySQL database and perform database operations. Here, a connection to the MySQL database is established using the MySQL connector connect function. You need to provide the host, user, password, and database name to connect to. In this example, the host is set to localhost, the user is root, which is the default user for a local MySQL installation. There is no password provided, an empty string, and the database name is insert Python example. A cursor object is created using the cursor method of the connection object, CNX. The cursor is used to execute SQL statements and fetch data from the database. The query variable holds the SQL statement to insert data into the datas table. The statement specifies the columns to insert data into, title and content, and uses placeholder values %s to indicate where the actual values will be provided later. The data variable is a tuple that contains the values to be inserted into the respective columns specified in the SQL query. In this case, A1 will be inserted into the title column, and BB1 will be inserted into the content column. The execute method of the cursor object is called with the SQL query and the data as arguments. This executes the query with the provided data. After executing the query, the changes made to the database need to be committed using the commit method of the connection object. This ensures that the changes are permanently saved in the database. Finally, the cursor and connection objects are closed using the close method. This frees up resources and ensures a proper termination of the connection to the database. Okay, I will try this code. OK, data has been successfully inserted. Thank you for watching the video. Bye-bye.